Working memory is critical for cognitive function and determines the efficiency of learning new skills. Our training aims to improve this cognitive performance while also considering the initial level of the trainee. By carefully designing procedures for experimental and active control groups, we have developed a training that incorporates the critical factor for determining the expected differences in training effectiveness. Aleksandra Bramorska, a PhD student from our lab, will be demonstrating the procedure.
Before beginning each procedure, give very clear and detailed instruction to the participants about how to perform each task. For an initial operation span task assessment, run a training block that automatically estimates the individual time needed for each participant to calculate a simple mathematical equation. In the next training block, display one letter on the screen at a time for 500 milliseconds per letter. After a full set of 3 to 9 letters, present a matrix of 12 letters to the participant and have the participant click on the letters in the order that they were presented, without a time limit. In the final block, combine the 2 training blocks, presenting 2 to 5 equation letter pairs before displaying the letter matrix. For running memory span task assessment, present information about the number of letters to be remembered in the task